Well, hey there, thanks for stopping by, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Robbie Greer from Rusticated-Art, and this is Fun Times Family Art, where you get to sit down in front of your TV or your computer and draw along with me. Now, I was asked by one of my subscribers, would I be able to show them how to draw a water drop? And I thought, sure, why not? So this week's tutorial is going to be about how I go about drawing water drops. Now be sure to stay till the end, because along the way I'm going to be giving you plenty of helpful hints, tips, things that will make it a bit easier to learn to draw. And also I'm going to be giving a shout out to another one of my favourite channels. So what do you reckon? You ready to give it a shot? Come on then! Alright, now today we're going to be doing water drops. So really all they are is just a little shape, and they don't have to be perfectly round or anything like that. We know they come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. So we'll just start off and we'll just do a little, so like that there. And I'm just using an HB pencil. I'm using my mechanical pencil and I'm in my A4 visual diary. So we're just going to do a little line around there like that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is, we just want to put a little highlight mark like that, there, now. And then we just come in here and we're just going to shade all this in. And just gently, don't go too tight, too dark. Just around the side there like that. We're assuming that the light source is coming that way. So we shade in the top. Go around here. We can actually use our blending stump for a lot of this. I just want to put the graphite down first. Now the top piece we shade inside the line. Now the bottom we come outside that line. So that you got the shade at the top and at the bottom. You can have a lot of fun with these, you know, because you can make all sorts of shapes. You can have teardrops. We'll do a few. And I'll get your little blending stump out. So we're trying to make the edges nice and soft and round to give that impression that it's water. It's a water drop. You're rubbing out quite a bit, so it's alright. Right now, I'm going to go in with my darker pencil here. This is a 2B, but if you can go to a 4B because we want it quite dark. Just take your time. Like that. If you're going to get a cleaner one, a new one, I don't really want any more on there than what's on, any more on the drawing than what's on there. Now I'm going to take a little bit out. Brush away that crumb. I'll just bring that in a bit closer. Yeah, that'll be a bit better, I think. How are we looking? They're looking a bit like a water drop. Alright, then we can take a bit more out of there. You can use gel or white pen, or I don't think charcoal will go on there. Right. No, I'll put a gel. Give it a bit of a highlight there. And down here, make it a little bit whiter. We'll try a different shape. What about one like this? Just leave a little gap there. And the light's coming the same way, so we're gonna just hang on. We're gonna. Yeah, I'm just sort of going with the flow of how the bubble would be, because it's you know, it's obviously not a flat surface. We want to try and create a 3D image. So we're going with it, instead of just going straight up and down, we're going with the way it would actually be. Now, I'm going to put a shadow down here. I guess because the light's coming down here and we've got this narrower, the shadow is actually a little bit different on this one. I mean, you can just experiment with a real water drop. Yeah, that's where you just take a photo of it. You know, use a reference. Darker on this side. There you go. Oh, I might try one a little bit more rounded. Alright, so we're going to go in here, stay within the line, in the circle. And then we'll go outside the circle, bottom. Now, I like to go turn things around so I can go with the flow of the drawing. So we're just going to come down here for the bottom bit. Darker pencil here. There, make that darker at the top. And then I'm going to come in and blend in here. Maybe that just needs to take a bit of that out, I think. Maybe experiment, just play around with it. It's all about a light and the reflection of the light, which creates the impression. Oh, I think I'm running out of lead on that one. And then we might do another one over here. Just try all different shapes. And go outside the line, outside the circle. There. And don't expect to get it right every time, or I should rephrase that, don't expect to get it right straight away. It's one of those ones that you just, as you get more confident and better at it, the easier it will become. And don't make a big thing of it. It's not, it's not like it's the end of the world type thing if you get it wrong. You just have another go at it. We'll put one over here. I think we might do another one of those teardrop ones. I'm staying with my 2B pencil here. I'm just going a bit lighter. There you go. That'll do us for now, I think. But just have a practice. You have a lot of fun, And as I say, if you want to get a reference photo, just take a photo of a water drop on the sink or wherever the water is, and just have a bit of fun. That's what it's all about. Enjoying it. Don't be scared to make mistakes, because you're going to. So don't know who's being scared about it, because you will. That's just how it is. I'm going to try a little bit of blue tack to see what happens. See if we can get a different texture going on. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright. Well, we'll leave it there, I think. But give it a go. Have a go at it. And as I say, I can't stress enough, do not be worried about making mistakes, because you're going to. Get over that. Alright. Well, I'm glad you made it to the end. And I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. And I know I keep saying it, but if you can hold a pencil and write your name, you can learn to draw. The only catch is you've got to want to. You've got to want to enough. Just like when you first learnt to write your name. Although it didn't happen straight away, it did happen. Patience, perseverance, and practice. Those 3 P's, they'll get you there. Now this week's shout out is to Neo-Albius-Arts, and that's the channel right there. Gallery artwork by Neo-Albius. Neo-Albius-Arts. Now there's a lot of paintings with the Lord of the Rings, the Hobbits. So if you're into that sort of art, this is the place to go to, I tell you. And I noticed also a lot of her art is based around superheroes and that type of genre. She's even got a drawing of Mr. Beast. So check that channel out, and I know you're going to enjoy it. Now I'd really love to see your artwork, so please send it in to me. And you can do that by going through my social media, Facebook, and then click onto my messenger and send it to me. Leave a message. I really enjoy looking at all your artwork. It makes me happy. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in next week's Fun Times Family Art.